In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to replace the battery in your Hunter Douglas remote. Follow along to ensure a smooth and damage-free process. For handheld transmitters, remove the center puck with a flathead screwdriver. Turn the puck over and use the flathead to twist off the back cover. Remove the existing batteries with your flathead by wedging them out. Replace the CR2032 batteries and replace the back cover. Then insert the puck back into the pebble. For surface mount transmitters, the process is similar. Twist the transmitter off of the wall by turning it counterclockwise. Then remove the center puck. Remove the back cover. Remove the batteries and replace. Reinstall the puck. Test the remote by operating the shade to ensure it responds. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more helpful tips.